Hey mathematicians, welcome to second grade Math Module 4, Application Problems. Turn to your next blank page in your math journal and label it M4L22 for Module 4, Lesson 22, and add today's date. Cut out problem 22 and glue it into your journal at the top of the page. Then press pause while you get your paper ready, and then play when you're ready to continue. To solve our application problem, we're going to use the RDW strategy. First, we need to read the problem. Then we're going to go back and circle numbers and then underline what the problem wants to know. Next, we are going to draw out the problem using a tape diagram, place value chart, number bond, or arrow notation, and label our work. Then, after we've drawn the problem, we need to write an equation that goes with our drawing. After solving the problem, we write the answer in a complete sentence. Let's get started. Read the problem silently to yourself or whisper read the problem as I read it out loud. There are 38 apples, 16 bananas, 24 peaches, and 12 pears in the fruit basket. Now I need to go back and circle my numbers. So to do this, purple, to solve this problem, I'm going to use a tape diagram to help me understand the parts and whole of the problem, and then I'm going to decompose my numbers to make easy tens to add. So if you want to pause the video and go ahead and solve it and then come back to check your work, do that now. So I've read the problem. Next, I have to draw and label it. So to draw my problem, I'm going to start out with, I know that I have 38 apples, and I need to label that. I know that I have 16 bananas, and then label. I know that I have 24 peaches, and label. And then I know that I have 12 pears. Go ahead and pause the video while you get your drawing caught up. Now, I know that I have 38 apples, 16 bananas, 24 peaches, 12 pears. What I need to find out is how many pieces of fruit are in the basket. So I know these are the parts, but what I don't know is how many there are altogether. So I'm going to write the problem. I know that I have 38. And because I'm finding out how many pieces of fruit are in the basket, I'm going to use the operation of addition. So 38 plus 16 plus 24 plus 12. Now here's where I want to make the easy tens to add. I know that 38 would decompose into the number bond 30 and 8. 16, I know that I have 1 10 and 6 1. In 24, now I have 2 10s, which is 20 and 4 1s. And then in the number 12, I have 1 10 and 2 1s. Here's where I want to try and combine numbers to make an easy 10. I have a 30, I have a 10, a 20, and a 10. I know that 8 plus 2 gives me 10. I also know that 6 plus 4 gives me 10. So now I can add my 10s together. So I've got 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I have 90 pieces of fruit. Now that I've had my written the equation and solved, I need to write it in a complete sentence. So that question would be, or in a complete sentence, there are 90 pieces of fruit in the basket. I hope you were able to come up with the same answer for our problem. If not, go ahead and go back, look at the problem again, and if you still have problems, raise your digital hand in Class Kicks, and somebody will be with you to answer your question as soon as we can. Great job today.